Hello students of class 3, myself Nikita Patel from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am going to teach you mathematics chapter number 2, fun with numbers part 1. So the name of our chapter is fun with numbers. As you can see in this picture, there are many children, those who are there in the park. Now here they have asked us, Radhika, Gauri, Vicky, Indra and Sunil were collecting imli, that is tamarind seeds. Now imli you know very well, in English we say tamarind. So they have collected the tamarind seeds, and on based of that they have asked us certain questions which we have to answer. For this we can do one thing to make it easy to answer these blanks. We can make one column like this. So two columns you have to make. One, write their names and number of seeds they have collected. As you can see in the picture, first is here Radhika. You can see her name is given. So Radhika has collected 24 seeds. Gauri has collected 47 seeds. Sunil has collected 38 seeds. Indra has collected 54 seeds. And Vicky has collected 42 seeds. So all the numbers already it is given that how many seeds which child has collected. So based on that, prepare table like this. So it is easy to answer this blanks. So same way, see, name Radhika 24 seeds, Gauri 47 seeds, Sunil 38 seeds, Indra 54 seeds and Vicky 42 seeds. Now fill in the blanks. You have to answer the question. Now what they have asked us, first A, dash collected the most seeds. So it is very easy from here to recognize that which person has collected the most number of seeds. So 24, 47, 38, 54 and 42. So obviously 54 is the most seeds. So who has collected 54 seeds? Indira has collected 54 seeds. So in first column you will write, first blank you will write Indira. Second question they have asked us, Sunil will collect dash more seeds to be equal to Vicky. Now Sunil has collected how many seeds? 38 seeds. And they have asked us if Sunil's seeds has to be equal with Vicky, because Vicky has more seeds. So if we want to make it equal, so how many more seeds Sunil should have? So we will subtract 42 minus 38. So if you subtract, you will get 4. So how many more seeds Sunil need to be equal with Vicky? He needs total 4 more seeds. Next is Radhika. If Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have. Now Radhika already have 24 seeds. So 24 seeds she have, and if we add 6 more seeds, so how many will be the total? It will be 30 seeds. So how many seeds? Answer is she will have 30 seeds. Next is how many children have more than 40 seeds? So obviously 40, more than 40, how many are having? Gauri, then Indira and Vicky. So how many? 3 children have more than 40 seeds. Now question E. Dash needs 3 more seeds to have 50. So who is that child who needs only 3 more seeds to make it 50? So we have to find nearest to 50. So here you can see Gauri. Gauri is having 47 seeds. So if we add 3 more seeds to it, so it will become 50. So the name of the child is Gauri. Next is Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40. So Sunil, as you can see, Sunil is having 38, means less than 42 less than 40. So it is 38. and dash has 2 seeds more than 40. So 40 plus 2, who is having? Vicky. So here we have to write Vicky because Vicky is having 42 seeds. So here we completed this fill in the blanks. Next is dot game. Now here see what is the heading. Guess the number of dots in the circle. Now count and check your guess. Play this game with your friends by making circles. See who can guess best. Now as you can see here, what this here is saying, can you guess the number of dots on me? So now he is asking to guess the number of dots on him. And even this insect is asking that on me also can you count the dots. So as you can see, this is a game where you have to estimate the number of dots in the circle. Like here you can see one circle, so you have to estimate without counting that how many it could be. Same way you have to circle anywhere and you have to ask your friends that to count the estimate number of dots. So this is very easy. This helps you to estimate the numbers and to understand it in better way. So here we complete our part 1. Hope you all understood. So students, please practice at home. Thank you students.